Hello students, this is part 5 of Act 1 Scene 3. In the previous videos, we learned that Antonio referred Shylock an evil soul. Students, Shylock is said to be devil or called an evil because he has all the bad or ill qualities of wrath, means anger, revenge, cruelty and money-making mindset. Antonio called him an evil soul because Shylock produced the references or used the references, holy references of Bible for justifying his money-making mindset, or you can say for justifying his taking of loan. So we can consider him that he is an evil soul as he is cruel and his plots against the life of Antonio to feed upon his grudges against him. We can also term him as he becomes a villain. He appeared before us as an evil soul, or you can say as a devil in the course of play. Now let's begin. Shylock, 3,000 ducats, it is a good round sum, 3 months from 12. Then let me see the rate. Means Shylock is saying that 3,000 ducats, it's a big sum, and for 3 months from out of 12 months, it was bound to be taken for 3 months. So he has to see the rate. Antonio, well, Shylock, shall we be holding to you? Students, you write down the meaning here, that Antonio is asking that is he going to do them a favor? Okay, shall we be beholding to you means are Antonio and Bassanio going to be obliged or are favored from Shylock? Students, this extract is very important. Shylock, Signor Antonio means Mr. Antonio or Sir Antonio, many a time and oft in the Rialto you have rated me, underline rated, insulted or abused me about my monies and my usances, means about his money making and money lending practices or taking of interest. Still have I borne it with a patient shrug, for sufferance in the badge of all tribe. You call me misbeliever. So Shylock is saying that many times Antonio had abused him in the Venetian stock exchange. Many times Antonio insulted Shylock for his money and his money lending practices. But every time Shylock ignored and shrugged off all and bore all the insults very patiently, with patience, with much patience, because according to Shylock, patience is the badge or symbol of their race, that is the Jewish race. Antonio called him a non-believer, a merciless dog. Cutthroat dog means merciless dog, and spat on his long Jewish robe. Underline Jewish gabardine means long Jewish robe, all because he put to use which is his own money, and for all use of that which is mine own. Well then, it now appears you need my help. Go to then, you come to me and you say, Shylock, we would have monies. You say so, you did void your ruin upon my breed and foot me as you spurn as a stranger cur. Students, in this extract we found that Shylock was calculating, counting or pointing out all the insults that Antonio had showered on Shylock. So we can see that Shylock was also in a tone of mocking, in a mocking tone or ridiculing tone. He was calculating all the abuses, all the insults that Antonio had presented him or showered on him. So students, let's once again revise that how has Shylock been ill-treated by Antonio. So you can see the answers here, that Shylock says that Antonio had frequently abused him in the Rialto about the matters relating to his money and interest. Shylock added that Antonio had called him a dog and also spat on his Jewish dress just because he used his own money the way he wished to. Shylock continued saying that Antonio had also spat on his beard. Underline this line. That did void your ruin upon my beard, means spitting on the beard, and kicked him on different days. And Antonio has also kicked him on different days as one would kick a stray dog. Underline stranger cur. Cur means stray dogs. So these were the insults Antonio had showered on Shylock. Now see this line. Hath a dog money? Is it possible a cur can lend 3,000 ducats? Cur, already I told you, means dog. So the speaker Shylock mockingly says, hath a dog money, as the Christians, especially Antonio, had been abusing Shylock for money lending and called him a dog. Shall I bend low and in a bondman's key with bated breath and whispering humbleness say this? Fair sir, you spit on me on Wednesday last. You spurned me such a day another time. You called me a dog, and for these courtesies I will lend you thus much monies. Now first you underline certain words. Spurned means kicked. Courtesies means polite actions. Now bondman's keys, write down, means the slave's voice. Shall I bend low and in a bondman's key with bated breath and whispering humbleness say this? This line means that Shylock says that that Shylock shall bow down anxiously like a slave and humbly whisper to Antonio. Say this, fair sir. Why Shylock is addressing Antonio as sir? Because they are in a public place. You have to remember, students, they are in a public place. So students, why Shylock is speaking like this concerning the conditions of the Jews in those times? Actually, already I told you that Shylock was calculating, was reminding and pointing all the insults that Antonio had done to Shylock. So when he is saying that all these courtesies, actually the courtesies means polite action, but Shylock uses these words to mean abuses. Here courtesies means abuses. Antonio has abused several times to Shylock for money lending business, and also racial discrimination was also there. Already I told you Antonio particularly hated the Jewish race. So from this extract we understood that when Antonio asks whether Shylock would help them with 3,000 ducats, Shylock got an opportunity to express his feelings. He calculated, he pointed out all the abuses that Antonio had showered on Shylock in Rialto about his money and his money lending practices. So Antonio had called him a non-believer, a stray dog, spat on his dress, Jewish dress or cloak, all because he used his money to advantage. Now it appears that Antonio is in need of the same money which he had made fun of. Now what was the reply of Antonio? So Antonio was not at all repenting because he replied that he was not going to change his opinion towards Shylock. He will continue to be his enemy, and if he is ready to lend money, he should lend it as to enemy. You can read here, I am as like to call thee so again, means he is going to call him, thee means you, the same things again, to spit on thee again, to spurn thee too, spurn already, kick. If thou wilt lend his money, lend it not as to thy friends, for when did friendship take a breed for barren metal of his friend, but lend it rather to thine enemy, who if he break, thou mayst with better face exact the penalty. So here Antonio is saying that he is going to call him the same again. He is going to spit on him, push him aside, kick him. If Shylock lends him money, he does not lend it as a friend, because when a friend lend a money to a friend in order to make a financial profit, so Antonio requested Shylock to lend the money as if he were his enemy. If Antonio fails to abide by his contract, he is free to extract the penalty from him. Shylock is free to extract the penalty from him. Students, I hope you have understood up to this one, exact the penalty. Read up to here, read the explanations, word meanings, and we shall continue in our next video. Thank you.